Hello YouTube fam. Today we're going to cook something simple and delicious and budget friendly. Very, very budget friendly. I grew up in the South, and a lot of days my mom cooked this. It was delicious and fulfilling. It didn't cost a lot, but it just tastes so good. Okay. First, this is just the toppings for the sandwich. I use about a fourth a cup of onions. You want to put that in a bowl, and then you want to put probably, I would say, 2 teaspoons of mustard and maybe 3 teaspoons of ketchup into that bowl with those onions. And that's going to be our toppings for our sandwich. And you can just squirt it in there, maybe 2 squirts of mustard, 2 squirts of ketchup. Anyway, I'll put the items in the description box of my video and the measurements also. Okay, we're just gonna stir it together, and you're gonna see what a pretty color it makes. And you just, stir it probably, a couple of minutes. You see how pretty that color is? It's gonna be delicious. And this is gonna be the topping for our sandwich. And what you want to do is just set it to the side, cover it with aluminum foil, and put it in the fridge while we get our sandwich meat together, okay? Or you can just leave it on the counter and just make sure you cover it. As you can see, our meal today consists of sausage, smoked sausage. They are delicious. We had them a lot growing up, in the South. They were didn't cost a lot, and you could do a lot with sausages. Sausage sandwiches, sausage, eggs, and grits. Anyway, that's going to be our meal today. Keep watching. What I normally do is just take 1 sausage, and I cut it in half to make 2 sandwiches. It's just the way we did it when I was growing up. And they just look so pretty. And you just take 1 sausage, put it on 1 piece of bread, and take the other one and put it on the other one. Now you have 2 sandwiches instead of 1. And then I just put it with some French fries. You don't have to have fries. You can have chips, whatever you like, or you can just eat them by themselves. They are just so delicious. To be honest with you, you really don't have to have bread. You can eat sausages alone, just with the condiments, mustard and ketchup, if you don't have bread. It's just really up to you. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put some of my sauce, my homemade sauce that I made, and put it on top of the sausages. And that's going to make the sausages just taste so much better. And once you make that sauce, you probably make that sauce for a lot of different things. Hot dogs. It's delicious. Keep watching. Doesn't that plate look delicious? I'm just going to put a little salt on my fries. I'm going to do a quick taste test. Put some ketchup on the side so I can dip my fries in there and do a quick taste test. Yes, I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. See how juicy it looks? Pretty color. It is delicious. It is delicious. I know I always say that about my food, but it really is delicious. Fries are delicious also. Please try to make this meal. It's simple, easy, and it's delicious. And it doesn't cost a lot. Your family really will enjoy it. You know, a lot of my videos, you know, aren't this short. But this is a short video. And I'm just showing you that you can do budget meals and they can be delicious also. Just try them. You'll really enjoy it. I'm going to be drinking Sprite with it. You can drink whatever you like, but I just like to drink Sprite or Coke or whatever I have in the fridge, I'll drink with it. Delicious. You can eat this for lunch, dinner, late night snack. It's delicious. It really is. You know, I really love bringing these videos to you all. And please, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And comment below on some of the budget-friendly meals that you cook for your family. There are a lot of them out there. The way the economy is today, it's good to have budget meals. It really is. And please, YouTube family, try to watch my video all the way through, okay? Don't try to skip around it. Please watch them all the way through because it really helps my videos. It helps the algorithm. I really appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel. And again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of my viewers and my subscribers. Thanks for watching.